and family. I hope you liked my last video to walk through of Dollar General. I am going to show you what I actually bought. They had some cute stuff in the home department. See, that's why I cannot be trusted. I did not mean to go in there and do what I did. I only spent like $45 and most of the stuff was $1. So it is what it is. It's bought. So on Saturdays, you know they have their 5 off 25 coupons. Here you go, 5 off 25. You can also get one on the app for every phone number in your household. They do have $5 bags of soil. I forgot the cordage. And of course, I didn't bring that in the house to show you. But if you need soil, I don't know if that's a good deal. Do your math, do your cordage. Buy 5 bags, get them for $4 each after the coupon. However you want to work that, that's a good way to get soil if you got a lot of containers to fill up. But just a tip for me and you for our garden days ahead. I hope y'all getting those spring gardens ready. But now, let's get into the haul. Okay, so I did like two transactions. And one of the receipts is in here. Yeah, okay. So this first one, everything I did was $1 except for like 2 items. Okay. I think. But let's get started. So, Comet with bleach, lavender, 50% more, which is a total of 1 pound, 5 ounces, $1. You know we still use Comet. One Mr. Clean brand magic eraser. I ain't really mean to get this. I meant to take this off, but I'm stuck with it. $1 because I got a whole box of magic erasers. Vinegar. We need this for cleaning, canning. They say you put it in your laundry for your whites and that help get your whites white. This is a 32 ounce, $1 at Dollar General. These, I bought a couple of them. Where's the other one? I thought I bought a couple of them. Here it is, right here in the face. First place I look, not the last. Oh goodness, this is opening. First place I look, not the last. These. I pour bleach in my toilet. You know, just when I'm cleaning it, pour bleach in the toilet. When I'm washing dishes, pour bleach in the dishwater. This is a good round-the-house bleach. Since Clorox is now almost $19 at Sam's. I saw somebody showing because I hadn't been to a Sam's and Costco all year. But what, you get those 2 big jugs and it's $18 or 3 big jugs or however many in that box is ridiculous. So if we just pouring it out and pouring it down the toilet and pouring it down the drain and putting it in a dish, this will work just fine. $1 a piece. So keep one of these under each bathroom sink and the kitchen sink. And if you put it in your mop water or wherever else you put it. Scent beads. You can still coupon the good name brand scent beads, but I don't need the other stuff to come in the deal. So I say I'm going to give these a try. It's a pretty decent sized bottle for $1. It's 12 ounces. Lavender scent. And let me check them. This bottle half full. This bottle is like right here. So it's only half full. Actually, it's down to here. I should have checked and filled my bottle up before I left the store, but y'all didn't hear me say that. But they smell pretty good. Oh, yeah, it smells pretty good. It's a stronger scent, though. It's a pretty strong lavender, like knock you out. You won't need a lot of that in the clothes. Then, multi-surface cleaner. This is a metal fresh scent for wood, laminate, stainless, marble, granite, plastic, porcelain, glass, and more. It's 32 ounces of cleaner. And it actually puts cleaning power into plain old water. It's for bathrooms, kitchens, playrooms, playpens, everywhere. Everywhere. Let me see. Because it was open. It's a very light scent. It's a very light scent. It's not strong at all. It's light. It smells good, but it smells light. It ain't knocking in your face sort of thing. This was in the 50% off basket. But it was still $2.70. Wow. But it's black cherry, strawberry, sour cherry, pomegranate, grape, black carrot, and black mulberry, GMO-free, no added preservatives, 100% juice, 7 superfruits. And when you read the label, the first thing is water. Then black cherry, juice concentrate. Everything else is juice concentrates. Product of Turkey. You mean tell me they brought this all the way from Turkey? But then they put a distributed by Old East Main in Tennessee. Refrigerate after opening and consume within 2 days. Oh, wow. I got to remember that before I even open it. So, here is the other thing that I was shocked to see. So speaking of bleach, this is a whole gallon of awesome bleach, lavender scent, 96 ounces. Or is that not quite a gallon? I don't know. I forgot. I forgot if that's a whole gallon, but it's close enough. It's close enough. And this is bleach, sodium hypochlorite. This may be real bleach for $1. So you might want to see if you can work with this. Because I'm telling you, I'm not paying. What's that? $7 a gallon for bleach or whatever it is. Nope, not doing it. I have the antibacterial Home Depot bleach that I bought for 39 cents. I think I have used I'm on my last bottle of real Clorox. And me and Clorox gonna have to break up for them kind of prices. I'm sorry, I cannot do it. So I smell this. And I said, I got $1 off coupon on the app. It was $4.95. I said, I'm gonna pay the $3.95. Silk and Sea Berry Dial. This smells good. It smells extremely good. Oh, it smells so good. Like a little bit of fruity. Oh, it smells so good. This, I'm eager to try. Like, I really needed body wash. I don't know. I did it anyway. And then I got Manuka honey. I really wanted the marula oil. Now, if you see marula oil, you talking about something have your skin feeling so soft and sort of, ooh. I hadn't really been to the store to look for it. But I was hoping to find that at the Dollar General. Could not find it. I think I saw it on Walmart.com. So if I really, really want it, I'll go into the Walmart trap and get it. But for now, I'm going to give these a try. So this is Manuka honey. And I didn't smell this, but cameraman did it. The sea berry smelled better. But cameraman was like, he only had like 4 or 5. So he may get the Manuka honey one, not the other one. And you saw my stroll, Pine Island, lemon scent. And this is Lemon Lift, deep cleans, tough on grease. Now, when I mop and make mop water, this is only 2 maybe 3 moppings for me. So for $1, you still, 50 cents a mop. But I got a lot of house to mop, so. But this is good in your mop water. Says deep clean and lifts grease, deodorizes surface, long-lasting scent. I bought it before. Let me see. And it's screwed on tight. I can't even get it off. Okay, there it is. They made sure this was screwed on tight. It's a good lemon scent. It's a good lemon scent. I'm pleased with that. So I'll probably use close to half the bottle on one mopping though. And then this stuff I thought was interesting. And actually, oh, let me tell you, this 50% more free. I think these are bigger than what the Dollar Tree has. And it's 25.3 ounces on these. Then I saw this. This is not a huge bottle, but scrub-free gel cleanser. So I'm guessing this is like a soft scrub with bleach. And it says remove mold and stains, lime scale, deep cleans grout lines. So this is good for those deep cleanings. I hadn't got to the bathroom yet on the challenge. I'm still on the kitchen. But we ain't going to talk about that right now because I feel so defeated. I did not feel good at all this weekend. I got hit by a truck, but we'll talk about that later. I thought I was going to lose my life, and I got hit by a truck, but we'll talk about that later. I was a little bit in pain this weekend and a little bit down, and I just couldn't, I don't know what was going on. But, of course, I bought me a candy bar to make the coupon hit because for some reason the coupon wasn't hitting. The $5, I guess tax was already rolled in, and it got confused, so I had to set the system straight because I'll get a candy bar if I'm going to get my $5 off. To make that coupon come on off. So, y'all saw these in the video. This is $1, but this is the plain water, alkaline spring water. So, I only bought one of those. And it's, of course, just water in a carton. They're trying to be a little, I guess, better to the environment, but all of it's extra. And then this one. So this had organic peach and blueberry flow water. And it's 16.9 ounces, so your standard bottled water. So I'm going to go ahead and taste this one for y'all. Let's see. But $1 for water is a little outrageous. So I only bought 2 of this flavor. I don't even taste it. Don't waste your time. Get you some tap water. Don't waste your time. I don't even taste it. So I bought 2 of those. Child. And you saw me pick this up in the store. So I saw this and I was like, this will be good for a gardener who has to scrub their root vegetables. So what you could do is put a little drop of Dr. Bronner's, some vinegar, and some water up here. And you push it down. And it dispenses a little of that. And you clean your potatoes and your radishes and your other root vegetables, your carrots up for eating with this. So that could work good as a vegetable brush, and it was $1. So then I saw this for floor cleaner. Awesome. Now this will probably get me 4 moppings. This is the only scent they had, which was floral, but it is 48 ounces. 48 ounces, so that'll be 4 moppings. And what I can get past this, I can smell through the foil, so it's pretty strong, and it'll probably do a good job too. So this is floral scent floor cleaner, clean ceramic and no wax floors, which I have tile most of the way through. Well, all the way through where I don't have carpet. So I hadn't seen this in a minute. Love to drink it, and this is the aloe water. So it's been hard to find. I'm telling you, even Ross won't they used to have them for like $3, $3.99. Now they are expensive. And I'm like, I can't even get the big aloe waters. So I say, let me taste these. And when I see them, I'll grab more. But they're $1. And they have watermelon and natural. So we'll see how those taste. And then the cute stuff that I fell for. And these are the last 2 items. So as I said, most of that was $1. And just think. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. With 17 items, that extra quarter meant something. So if you looking for like stuff for the house, the cleaning supplies, don't go to Dollar Tree no more. Make your first stop at a Dollar General. Find your favorite Dollar Generals that's neat, because there is a few of those dinosaurs still left. Neat and clean. Find their stocking days and spend $1, because that quarter at that Dollar Tree adds up. I used to easily go in there if I ain't been in a long time and spend $50. But just think, that's a lot of money with that extra quarter. That makes it kind of crazy. That's an extra, what, $10, $15 with the extra quarter? So no, I'm going to Dollar General first. Check out their dollar aisle. Find your right, a store on your route that got some staff that care about the store and keep it clean. And make that your store and find out their stock days, because it's getting crucial out here in these streets. For real, for real. So, this last thing. So, as you know, I'm doing my cleaning and organization as I do it. Don't rush me as I do it. And it ain't no rush. I ain't got nowhere to go. These baskets come with the lid, which makes them stackable. So these are the little ones. And they were $3 each. So I got those. So stuff like this, you definitely want to wait till Saturday. Definitely want to use your coupon. Even if you think you're going to buy a lot of multiples. Because this was $6 for the 2. Because I did buy 4 baskets. But if you think you're going to buy a lot or soil, go in there and spend $1 during the week, and this coupon going to print. And if you know you're going to go in there and spend a lot of money, just make sure you get at least 2 extra coupons and split your totals. But these 2, and they had the bigger version, which is these. So, and they do the same thing, stack. So I grabbed 2 of these, and they were $4 each. $4 each. So they'll hold bigger items, and they can stack up. Wait a second, she having issues over here. 1 second. So they got the top, and they'll stack. So you can have those under the sink with items. So I thought I may need those for my, organizing journey. But you know what? If not, once I finish the kitchens and the baths, if I haven't used it, I might return them, because I'm not about that life no more. But I thought I may need them, and they was kind of, people were buying them. They were buying them because they are cute. And they came in blue too. So if you like a color scheme of blue, then they had that color also. So these are some cute baskets to help with your organization. So I hope that's it for that haul. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm only 200 subscribers away from the 1,000. Gardeners, do not leave, because I'm coming with some stuff. And I'm coming with the garden. We gonna get out here and make this thing do what it do. So, again, I love you all to life. Thank you so much for watching. Prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Bye-bye.